Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market wise, let's take a look at it. We have the Dow up 154, NASDAQ up 46, S&P's up 13, all new all-time highs. First week of trading, guess what? Goes topside in a big way. Gold contract flat, $13.21.30. Silver flat, $17.26. Bottom line, folks, it couldn't knock down gold on a continual basis all week long. What does it do? Takes out its swing point, has the volume beyond the move. As it takes over the swing point, 1365 is on the way. We're at 1321 right now. Oil down a half a buck, 50 cents, $61.49 a barrel. Also been strong all week. 10-year note down 5 ticks, trading 123.16. 30-year bond down 15, 151.27. We get over here and we take a look at this 10-year note. This is absolutely phenomenal. Now, it got out of its higher trading range and has not come back inside it. That being said, guess what, folks? We got to 123.28 today. You did 1.2 million shares, contracts rather. This baby's going to go right back inside it because guess what? It's pushing against the getting back inside it versus going downtown. Downtown, it hasn't even got close to the aspect of this the low that was established out here. And when we're talking about the low that was established, we're talking about the low that was established on the 21st of December, which is 123.12. King dollar, we take a look at King dollar. King dollar, lots of volatility out here today. We had the jobs number come out, decent jobs number. Bottom line, that moved gold, moved bonds, moved the dollar. Dollar failed on price and volume. You've done 13,000 contracts out here. You're up 8 ticks. You're at 91,665. This baby is building cause to get down into the September 8th low. The September 8th low being 90.680. It's a big number, man. This is pretty amazing. So what you're going to have on the dollar is that you get a failure today. You have a weekly that is basically got to a low of 91,470. We'll see how it handles the September 8th low. That September 8th low is 90.680. And what that sets up, if you take that out with volume, you get a monster ABC structure on the way down. And that number, that projection is into the 82 number, folks. It's a big number. S&Ps. Let's go take a look at the cash S&P. Cash S&P, first week of the year. Bottom line, we started out at a price point of 26.73. You're at 27.36. Dow Industrials also topside the first week of the year. Dow Industrials started out at a price point of 24,700. You're at 25,229. We take a look at the composite, and the composite was the first one that basically took off, folks, okay? The NASDAQ composite was the leader the first Tuesday and Wednesday. Slowed down a bit, yesterday and today, but you can expect that. The composite went from 69.03 to 71.24. The NDX 100 also led the market up. NDX 100 is up 56 bucks right now. We just went from 63.96 to 66.41. So you went up almost 100 points. What is still out here, which hasn't got into a new high yet, and it's been struggling in a huge way, is the small caps, the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 each and every day has been trying to get up into this high that was generated out here on December 4th. That high is 1564.70. Bottom line is that what you have there, we'll find out why the Russell just can't handle it. If we take a look at the IWM, out here, what you're going to see is the IWM out here today. You're up 1 penny right now. You're trading 154.48. On the weekly basis, what has happened with the IWM is this. The IWM on the weekly basis looks like it's going to fail. So what we've done is this. You got up to, on a weekly, you got up to $155.15. You got over the swing of the 22nd. Right now, we're trading 154.48. If you close under the 154.77, that's basically a failure. And you can see, you know, there's a whole different animal happening in these small caps. Not quite sure why, but bottom line, that's what you have. There's no two ways about it. Yes, it's testing, retesting on a continual basis, and thus far, it's failed. Some of the higher volume stocks out here today, this is what you have happening in the market. We have GE flat, that's trading $18.51. Square has some juice underneath it, that's up 270, trading at 40.81. You get Snap down 16 cents, $14.25. You get Sprint up 16 cents, trading $11.79. We get open, we take a look at some of these Dow stocks here. Dow stocks, which percentage-wise, here, let's look at the percentage-wise. So percentage-wise, what you have, the Dow Industrials today is up 0.6%. NASDAQ is 0.6. S&P's 0.4. We get open, we take a look at the strength versus the weakness inside the Dow Industrials. This is what you have. The mover out here today, always the large number stocks, that's for sure. You have Boeing putting 67 positive points into the Dow. You have United Health putting 25 points. You have Caterpillar putting 15. Visa's putting 14. Taken away from it, you got Goldman Sachs taking away 10. You get JP Morgan taking away 5. Disney taking away 4. Travelers taking away 3. Inside the NDX 100, what do we have? Inside the NDX 100, the strength out here is Xilinx. That's up 5%, or 366. You got Electronic Arts up 4.5%, 491. JD.com up 4%. Taken away from it, you got Ultra Salon down 2%. Lumina is down 2.3. Checkpoint Software is off 2. It's Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials up 156. NASDAQ up 43. S&P's up 13. We're coming right back.